Okay, I've got a lovely Panzanella salad now with some white anchovies, tomatoes, flame roasted pimentos, a little dressing with red wine vinegar and olive oil, some capers, fat leg parsley. And this dish is very, very simple, but it's just based on good ingredients. So we've got the olive oil is from a good friend of mine, Bob Whalen, down in South Colburn. Tomatoes, all grown, these ones are grown in my garden, these ones are local, all nice and fresh, nice little white anchovies. So we've got some lovely sourdough that's a day old. This is from Baked Up Rising in Newcastle. So I'm just going to place this in a bowl. So if you want to, you can toast this. It doesn't have to be too neat. So a lovely red onion. And we're going to pick through some of these pimentos. So roughly sliced as well. These are great out of the jar. And I try and get everything so it's going to fit in your mouth. Beautifully fresh tomatoes. Same thing, just nicely roughly chopped. Got some lovely little capers. So you don't want too many of these. And some picked parsley. We've got a few of these little yellow tomatoes. Okay, did a few white anchovies on top. But not too many again. Then for the dressing, olive oil and some of this lovely foreign Cabernet vinegar, which is just fantastic. Salt and pepper. So you've got a nice fresh salad of lovely sourdough, tomatoes, capers, and white anchovies, a few red onions and flame roasted pimentos. Everything's fresh, it's just based on the best ingredients. So if tomatoes are out of season, just don't bother. And then when you're ready to serve, mix up the dressing, pour that over the top. And this lovely salad goes fantastic with the vanilla.